mussels, clams, shrimp, lobster, all over the green.
This is a hit.
Yeah.
Do we have to stay here tonight? West Lebanon.
Uh-huh.
Nashua?
Yeah, that's the other Louis.
Here,
Where are
Aria.
we going next Sunday, hon?
We're going out to eat. Can you open it, Aria?
Hey, Casey? Can I see it? You're up there? Come here. Thank you. Now look, I'm going to pull backwards.
Made her jump.
Yeah.
What is that,
Top
Aria?
on the top right makes both wheels go at the same time.
Both wheels. Both wheels.
Casey, I can't see it from there.